Find features that distinguish it from other brands for LEMEGA MSY6 Bluetooth stereo system, and why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because CD player for home with premium sound. Play your favorite CDs, digital and FM radio stations. Listen in amazing stereo sound, powerful 100-watt speakers with rear-facing bass ports, in acoustically engineered oak-style cabinet. FM radio, Bluetooth, USB and AUX, easy connection to multiple audio, Bluetooth mode to stream from your phone, ideal for your podcast and music apps. USB and auxiliary to play MP3 and audio from music devices. Plus exclusive to LEMEGA, Bluetooth headphone connection for wireless personal listening. Dual alarm, sleep timer, 20 presets, clever multiple alarms for family, dual alarms with weekday and weekend modes. Set favorite FM or alarm sounds. Sleep timer mode to set CD or radio to play and turn off at bedtime. 20 preset modes available to save radio stations for quick access. Color display, EQ, 100 watts stereo sound. Advanced features to elevate your experience, 2.4-inch full-color display show full radio station and music playback information, fully customizable EQ to fine-tune for music or speech audio. And all played through impressively powerful dual stereo speakers with 100-watt output. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.